Hello, it is me, Gaming Fish 90. What the heck? I'm on here. I'm playing some Five Nights at Freddy's parts and service repairs right now. Cause
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access its harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets.
sorry, no.
First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Okay, this is the left eye. Cause
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
okay.
Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye
Oh.
and carefully remove it from its socket.
Okay.
Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle
Whew.
on your right.
Okay.
Good job.
I put your eye.
On Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small. Well done.
Okay.
You now have access to Bonnie's
Whoa.
harmonization module.
Whoa.
Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's
Whoa.
secondary throat pipe
No.
to enter calibration.
No.
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note. Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
Yes.
Great
Yes.
job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up.
What?
Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Same order that I removed them. So, left, right.
Well done.
Okay.
That
Whoa.
concludes your parts and services
Hey.
task. See you next time.
Hey. Hey, we did it. Do, 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 do. Ow. I'm gonna drink it. I ate the thing. What? Okay. Hello. No. So, push buttons to make repairs. Boom. Let's get going. This is Chica. Wow.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
What
There
the?
have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior
Oh.
and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
On my right. Food in the trash. Food in the trash.
Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside
Am I
her beak.
supposed to be the short?
To open her beak, carefully press the two buttons located on the sides of Chica's head. Oh no! It looks
Whoa,
like
whoa.
Chica has picked up some unwanted friends.
Huh?
To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment Restaurant Grade Chemi Spray to
Yeah.
Chica's exterior. Press the button under the hanging canister to activate the Chemi Spray. Avoid inhaling the Chemi Spray. Exposure to clean,
Oh my god.
disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Well done. Oh no, it looks like Chica needs another dose of the Chemi
Was he
Spray.
facing me
Do
before?
not let the infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed.
Please don't wait.
Return the cupcake to Chica's plate. Place the cupcake on the plate.
There.
Great job. Chica is ready to serve
Yeah.
pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done.
Just. Yeah.
Go on.
Yeah, just me. Yeah, I don't wanna.
Delicious. See
I
you
don't.
next
I
time.
don't wanna get, like murdered. Or not. Attacked. Cause YouTube wants me to be a kids channel. I have to say stuff that kids would like. Oh wait, this is not my actual height. I'm actually. This could be. Hey, give me a foxy plush. Yeah. Oh. Actually, I think I have a foxy plush in my life. If I have one, you'll see it in the editing. Yes.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the lost and
Look
found.
at me.
Carefully grab. Freddy's got a pretty good hold of. Good
Okay.
job. Now place the hat in the lost and to Parts and Service.
Okay.
It looks
So
like one
I
of
have to
our
grab the
guests. Freddy's
hat.
got. Good job. Now place the hat in the lost and found bin on your right. While we're at it, let's make
Okay.
sure there isn't anything else stuck inside.
Okay.
To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards.
Okay. This is.
Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
Oh. Beautiful execution.
Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends.
Okay. No.
Carefully place the music box on the work table. Great job.
There we go.
To reset the safety latch,
Right.
press the button located on Freddy's
Oh,
endoskeleton.
okay.
Now,
Hello.
remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Wait, this is the lost and found bin?
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh,
You seem to
whoa.
have mishandled Freddy's music
Whoa.
box. This is not good.
Ah,
A replacement may be found on the work table.
okay.
A slow and even pace is recommended.
So apparently I'm not allowed to look to my left. Well, that's awfully fun. This is gonna be a pain in the butt because I can't look to my left. And if I do
Welcome
it,
back to Parts and Service. It looks like one
okay,
of
so
our
you
guests, Freddy's got. Good
grab,
job.
put,
Now place the hat in the
pull.
Well done. Freddy's chest cavity
Wait.
is now open. Remove the child's
What? This says like I never did. What? I'm swimming. Swim. Oh wait.
the
Speed
safety
run.
latch. Press the button located
Speed
on
run.
Fred. Now remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Oh my gosh, I just realized where I am in my room. I've moved a lot. Wanna restart? Okay. That's like 2 feet tall.
Welcome back
Oh
to
my
Parts and
god,
Service.
I'm not like
It looks like
6
one of our
foot.
guests left a personal item. Freddy's got. Good job. Now place the
Is this
hat
how it
in the
feels?
lost and while we're at it, let's make sure that. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open.
Okay, wait.
Remove the child's watch
Alright,
and place it
it's
in
gonna
the
go
lost
back.
and found bin.
That's gonna
Be
go.
careful not to touch
That's
any
gonna
of
come
Freddy's
back.
sensitive wiring.
What do you. Oh, maybe I do have to be 2 feet tall because I cannot reach that low.
Freddy's. Good job. Now place
Okay.
the hat in the lost and found bin. While
Cool.
we're at it, well done. Freddy's chest
Okay.
cavity is now
Let's
open.
go come here. Can we
Remove
go
the child's
back?
watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch
Oh.
any of Freddy's sensitive wire. Good job. It appears there is a
Okay,
child's
wait, let's
shoe
come over
wedged
here.
behind Freddy's
Go
music
back.
box.
Over
The
here.
music box must be removed
here.
before you can access the
Come here.
child's shoe. Gently, carefully place the music box on the
Okay.
work table to your left.
There.
Great job. To reset
There.
the safety, now remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and
Okay.
found bin.
Whew. Perfect.
Well done.
Removal.
Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day.
Okay.
Oh no, you seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good. A slow and even pace is recommended. A slow and even pace is recommended.
Slow and even. Slow and even. Slow and even. Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the lost and found. Freddy's got
Look at
a
this
pretty
lost-
good job. Now place the hat
Lost and
in the
found?
lost and found bin
Pretty
while
good.
we're at it. Let's make sure they're well done. Freddy's
Dude,
chest
how
cavity
did this
is now
happen?
open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin.
Yeah.
Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
There.
Good job. It appears there is a child's carefully place the music box on the work table to your great job.
There.
To reset the now remove the
There
child's
we
shoe
go.
and place it in the lost and found.
Okay. Grab. And remove.
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity and we'll call it a day. Oh no.
Oh, look at me. I'm
You
such
seem
a
to have
klutz. I dropped the
mishandled
voice
the
box.
music box. This is not good. A replacement may be found on the work table.
Okay.
A slow and even pace is recommended.
Slow. Okay, wait.
Crisis
There
averted.
we go.
To close Freddy's
There we
chest
go.
cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face.
Okay, that's
That
it.
concludes your time in parts and service.
Let's
Your pay will be
go.
docked accordingly.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's open my present. What is this? Lemon. I ate lemon. Do, 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 do.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Whoa,
Foxy has
what
been
the?
out of commission for quite some time. This
What
series
the
of simple
frick?
repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton.
Okay, well
Oh
that.
no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse. Good job.
There.
Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Why?
Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Careful, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm. Well done.
There
The
we go.
remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
2, 4. this blue and that's simple. Ah. Well. Wow. Wow.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First,
Well, is he gonna jump scare me with his mask on? No. Okay. I don't know what happened there.
welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should... Oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
Red and green and red. Red. Okay. So now it's blue. Blue, green, and red. What this?
Good job.
There you go.
Retrieve Foxy's eye from drawer number 3. When Foxy's eye box
3.
is fully open, place the eye back into his eye socket.
Oops. He's got a brown eye. Okay, wait. Let it close. Let him do stuff. Let him do stuff. And then
Well
just
done.
go poop.
This concludes all your
Let's
parts
go.
and service tasks. All your pills can now be reopened.
Let's go. I just finished doing this whole thing. It was so painful because I don't even know. It's a bag of Doritos. Disappointment. This is gonna be this video. You, if you don't hit that like button. I'm just kidding. I never say.
Importantly, you're staying in your lane and sticking to the script, which is exactly what our risk assessment team was hoping you'd do. Please continue to
I don't like
enjoy
that.
the Fazbear virtual experience.
Look, next I'll probably do vent repair. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.